Hello and welcome to reference 3321. A 6-bedroom villa with a build size of over 300 square meters, originally built in 1880. So you'll see a house full of character in this beautiful countryside just on the outskirts of Ontinyent. The main house is fully fenced. Where we're standing now is where you would park your car, where you have a carport and storeroom. All these manicured trees are part of the house. Just coming down the side of the house, I just quickly want to show you one side of the house, which is important because it is attached to another little property which is currently occupied. It has its separate entrance and is absolutely nowhere near your main living area. So coming into the main grounds, we're having a look at the house. There's a beautiful terrace and sun terrace. A lovely mature garden. Walking up some stairs to a seating area by the pool. This pool is a filtered pool. It's in perfect working condition, and as you can see, plenty of space for sunbathing. Not overlooked at all, completely private. No houses overlook the pool at all. Apart from the shrubs, it's mainly down to left with gravel, so it's low maintenance in that respect. What we're having a look at now is a little guest apartment. So coming into the entrance hall, you see beautiful tiles on the floor, and you enter into a generous sized lounge. So the heating in this apartment is a wood burner. As you can see, the kitchen and a bit of a space under the stairs. It's completely self-contained. So going upstairs, you have one bedroom with a shower room. South-facing windows. So just behind that door, you've got a little laundry room where you can store your linen and what have you. But comfortably can hold a double bed or twins as it has presently. So we're coming back out of the guest apartment. We're now going to have a look at the sun terrace. In front of us you can see the boiler for the main house. Lovely stone wall, and have a look at these views. So let's head downstairs onto the terrace below. To the left you see there's a barbecue. There's a large terrace, easily fit a table of 10. This house is full of features of wooden windows, wooden beams, and well, let's have a look inside. You see for yourself. Here we are. Coming in through the front, you come straight into a nice sized kitchen. It has Valencian arches. It's all open plan in that respect. To the left, you'll be going into the lounge, but we'll go there later. But off the kitchen, you have the bathroom in the house. Coming into the lounge, to your left, you have this very large wood burner. At the back, it's an old bread oven. It's not presently used. It's just a feature. But again, you've got the wooden beams. Quite low ceilings. It's so tastefully decorated. To your right, we have a little office or another sunroom. Could be used as something else, of course, but it's presently used as an office. Now we'll head upstairs. So up here you have 3 large doubles. To your left, you have a room that can easily occupy, again, twins or doubles. Through that door at the back is another linen room. Bedroom 2, similar size. Again, wooden beams, and all the tiles on the floor are beautiful. Now the third bedroom is pretty special because it's made up of 2 rooms. You've got this area here, which is like a little seating area going through into this beautiful bedroom with a stone wall finish. So windows facing south and east. It also has a wood burner. This room has an ensuite shower. And loo. Right back on the landing, we have this another door going to another little property. Now, at the very beginning of the video, I showed you this little area on the side of the house. Well, this is where this is. So you have another bathroom, another bedroom, and if we head downstairs, we have another room that could be what's presently used as a bedroom, but it could be a little lounge, because behind those curtains are the doors that we are looking at from the outside. Now we have gone back upstairs, back into the hall, and there was a door right in front leading up to the attic. So the attic at the moment, it's a great space for storage. It's a little too low to make them into bedrooms. However, it is large, it is in good condition, and that's really the extent of the house. Lots of bedrooms, lots of opportunities, all these little side properties which could be used for maybe renting out or for family members. But it is a beautifully presented house, and I really hope you enjoyed looking at it. Just look at that lovely floor. Now all the details can be found on our website, so please follow the link below, and we really hope that we can help you. Here's our details, and many thanks for watching.